This blistering heat has been making me tired. Let's talk about hot weather. California is experiencing hot weather. We are in a heat wave. A heat wave is a temporary increase in temperature, which makes us feel kind of like this, like we're on fire. We can say scorching heat. We can also say blistering heat, like the injury we get after the fire hurts us. Too much heat means overheat. Let's use these words and the present perfect to talk about the California heat. Has been making me, How has the weather been treating you? Oh, the scorching heat has been making me sweat. Whew. Is it hot in your home country? Let me know in the comments.
Kyra Sage from Language Hack, signing out.